What if you could turn a business idea into a working application without starting with a traditional development team? Traditionally, building serious software meant developers, designers, databases, integrations, testing, deployment, and a lot of time. For an entrepreneur, that can create a frustrating gap between having an idea and actually putting it in front of customers. But generative AI is changing the way we think about building digital products. One example is Emergent, an AI-powered platform designed to help turn natural language instructions into working applications. The interesting part is that you can begin by describing what your business needs, not by explaining every line of code. Instead of building a simple demonstration, I wanted to create an actual digital regional reading business. So I decided to put that concept to a real test. The goal was simple. This said, create a beautiful place where readers could discover, rent, and enjoy digital books. So let's go back to the beginning and see how the application concept was created. I described Midnight Pages as an ebook and audiobook platform with discovery, user accounts, rentals, membership, and a premium reading experience. Then I described the visual direction: dark, cinematic, modern, premium, and designed around the experience of reading at night. I also described the audience, because good software starts with understanding the people who actually use it. This is where the process becomes interesting. The AI begins translating those requirements into application components. The objective isn't just a landing page, it's to create the connected pieces that make an application actually function. And that's the fundamental use case, reducing the distance between a business idea and something people can actually interact with. And then comes one of the most satisfying moments, seeing the idea begin to look like a real product. Now let's look at the customer experience, starting with the most important part, discovering something worth reading.
The platform presents readers with a visually rich collection of books instead of forcing them through a complicated catalog. Once the reader finds the right title, the experience should move naturally from discovery toward reading.
Now, the product isn't simply selling individual books. It has the foundation for multiple potential revenue streams. Membership adds another layer, allowing the business to create a recurring relationship with its readers. A rental workflow can connect the customer's selection, payment, and access into one continuous journey. And this is where integrations become important, because a commercial application has to connect the customer experience with real services.
Behind that simple interface is structured information connecting users, books, rentals, memberships, and transactions. After the transaction, the application can determine what content the customer is entitled to access.
This is what turns stored information into an actual user experience. The result is a complete customer journey, from discovering a book to gaining access to it. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at Midnight Pages. It's changing how we create. Let's flip over to the dashboard. Look at these analytics. You can track everything in real time.
Let's see what our customers have to say. Incredible results and seamless integration. It has completely transformed our workflow.
Let's check out the new platform analytics. A quick swipe reveals our admin dashboard. Everything is looking great today. Here it is, the complete Midnight Pages ecosystem. Everything connects just perfectly to streamline your creative workflow. Now you can create, manage, and publish seamlessly. You could explore a subscription software product without first assembling an entire engineering organization. You could prototype a marketplace where buyers and sellers interact through one application. Or create internal tools that solve a very specific problem inside an existing company.
That changes the economics of experimentation. A sweep, especially for small teams and individual entrepreneurs.
And Midnight Pages is just one example of what this approach can be used to explore. I started with an idea for a digital reading business. The result was Midnight Pages, a functioning product concept built around that idea. So don't just keep your next business idea in your head. Describe it, build it, test it, and see where you can take it with Emergent.